Have you heard the term no-cost reverse mortgage and wondered if it was too good to be true? In this video, I am going to break down exactly what a no-cost reverse mortgage is, how it works, what is covered, and the one item that cannot be waived. Because when you understand this, you walk into the process with a significant advantage. Most people assume a reverse mortgage comes with a long list of fees they have to pay out of pocket before the loan even closes. And traditionally that was true. A standard reverse mortgage can include an origination fee, an appraisal, title insurance, escrow fees, recording fees, and the FHA mortgage insurance premium, but here is what most people do not know. In many cases, depending on your home value, your loan amount, and current market conditions, we can structure a reverse mortgage with no origination fee at all. And in some situations, especially with the proprietary reverse mortgage, we can go even further and apply a lender credit that covers your third-party closing costs too. Let me be specific about what this can include. The origination fee is the lender's compensation for processing the loan. On a federally insured reverse mortgages, this is capped at $6,000 by law. In a no-cost structure, this fee is waived entirely. Third-party closing costs are the fees paid to outside vendors, the appraiser who values your home, the title company, the escrow company, and recording fees paid to the county. These typically run anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 depending on where you live. In many cases, we can apply a lender credit to cover some or all of these costs as well. That means you could close a reverse mortgage without writing a single check for any of these items. There is one cost in the reverse mortgage process that cannot be covered by a lender credit, cannot be waived, and cannot be paid on your behalf by anyone connected to the loan. That is the mandatory HUD counseling fee. Federal law requires every reverse mortgage borrower to complete an independent counseling session with a HUD-approved counselor before any application can be submitted. The counselor works for you, not the lender. That independence is the whole point, which is exactly why no lender is allowed to pay for it. Most HUD-approved agencies charge between $150 and $200 for the session. It takes about 90 minutes by phone. You receive a certificate that is valid for 180 days. Some HUD-approved counseling agencies offer free sessions from time to time, funded through HUD grants or nonprofit programs. Availability changes and it varies by location, but it is always worth asking when you call to schedule. One of the most common reasons people hesitate to explore a reverse mortgage is the assumption that the upfront costs are prohibitive. They hear closing costs and picture writing a large check before they have seen a single dollar of benefit. A no-cost structure removes that barrier entirely for many borrowers. You can close a reverse mortgage, eliminate your monthly mortgage payment, and access your equity, and in the right situation, do it without paying a dollar out of pocket except for the counseling fee. That is a fundamentally different conversation than most people are having when they think about whether this product makes sense for them. Every situation is different. Whether a no-cost structure is right for you depends on your specific numbers, your home value, your equity, current rates, and what you are trying to accomplish. What I can tell you is that it is worth discussing. Most people never do because they assume fees are just part of the deal. They do not have to be. My name is Zayer. I am a certified reverse mortgage professional based in San Diego, licensed in California and Arizona. If you want to know whether a no-cost reverse mortgage is possible for your situation, the conversation is free. Visit reversemortgage.coach or call me directly at 760-271-8646. And if you are ready to see your numbers right now, the free calculator at reversemortgage.coach/calculator takes about 60 seconds. No personal information required. I will see you in the next one.